Okay, friends, today I'm going to show you how to log in to something called ReadWorks on your distance learning class to read an article about Memorial Day and then answer the questions that follow the article. Memorial Day is a holiday that we are celebrating on Monday, and that's why we don't have school. I am using one of our classmates' accounts, so thank you to that classmate, just so you can see how to log in. All right, so you're going to go in your distance learning classroom, okay? Then you're going to find where it says, it's going to be underneath Friday's lesson, okay? Friday you don't see right now, but it will be there tomorrow. It will say ReadWorks Summer Read Memorial Day. You're going to click on that. And then you're going to click to sign in, okay? Click on that. Okay, it might ask you to choose an account, okay? If you don't see your account, thank you, Autumn, I'm going to use yours. If you don't see your account, you're going to have to click on Other Account, and then you'll have to type in your username, J. DeGracie. Yours will be your username, but you can't forget that @ which is shift2 gsdwi.org. Okay, that's how you will have to log in if you don't see yours. But we saw our account. I'm going to use Autumn's. Thank you, Autumn. So you click on your account if you find it. Then you are going to see where it says Summer Reads Memorial Day, celebrating Memorial Day. You're going to see a tab called Passage. That's what you should be on first. The cool thing is, friends, look at this is a very short article to read. And the cool thing is you can click on this and it will read it for you. Listen.
Celebrating Memorial Day by Alice Lee Folkens. Memorial Day is not just a day off from...
So it will read the article to you. Please make sure you're following along with the words, but there you go. You can listen to the article. And you will know you're in because it says your name. Thank you, Autumn, again. So you're going to read the article or listen to it or both, and then you're going to go to where it says questions. You have 4 questions to answer, and you can go back to the text to answer them. So question 1 says, who are remembered on Memorial Day in the United States? So that's like saying, who do we remember? Now remember, you're 4th graders, almost 5th graders. I should see full, complete sentences. So if the question is, who are remembered on Memorial Day? We can type on Memorial Day. We remember, and then your answer with a period. But I need to have complete sentences. Number 2, describe 2 ways Memorial Day is celebrated. Support your evidence from the text. So a way we would start is 2 ways, ways we celebrate Memorial Day is 1, you tell me something from the text, and 2, something from the text. Number 3, what is the main idea of the text? Again, you might have to reread, and to start off your sentence, we would say the main idea is, and then you type. And then your last question, it says, read these sentences from the text. Another way to celebrate Memorial Day is to fly the American flag at half-staff. Instead of flying the flag all the way up to the top of the flagpole, the flag is raised only halfway. Here's your question, why might the American flag be only flown at half-staff on Memorial Day? Again, you're going to go back to this passage to support your answer. So we might start our sentence by saying, we fly our flag at half-staff on Memorial Day because, and then you support your answer with evidence. Once you have answered all 4 questions, you are going to click Submit, which is right here, and then you are done. I hope you learn about Memorial Day and enjoy this article. See you on Tuesday.